Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you my beauty room and filming a room. This video has been highly requested and I'm finally filming it for you guys. So if you guys want to see it, please keep on watching. So when you walk into my beauty room, the first thing you're gonna see is those Alex drawers over there with some makeup on top, and then my vanity table, vanity mirror, and then some shelves with some pretty stuff on it, and then finally my makeup collection. I had my makeup collection on my Alex drawers previously, but I moved it to those drawers over there and those acrylic boxes. These drawers right here are from IKEA. They are the Alex drawers and I can link them down for you guys. And also that is a tabletop on top of the drawers. A lot of people ask me where I buy this makeup table, but they don't sell it as a whole set. You have to basically buy the Alex drawers and a tabletop and then just have two Alex drawers and the tabletop on top. And there you go, you have your makeup table. So on top of these Alex drawers, I have this lip stand that was a gift from my husband. I like to keep it here because it looks just beautiful and everyone can see it right away when they enter my room. And I keep on it some of my lippies and also lip liners, some brushes that I find pretty but I don't usually use. This lip tower also spins, so if I want to have some lippies in here too, I can just turn this and choose the lippies that I want. And just let me move this. On the back of the lip stand, I have some Huda Beauty PR packaging that I find really pretty, really beautiful. And then on this side, I just have some flowers. So here I have some earrings and some random glasses there. I don't know what they are doing there, but yeah. Just have some colorful ones, some gold ones. I really like colorful ones for my looks. It kind of inspires me to create colorful looks, so I love colorful earrings. Then here I have even more. I love this type, really like it. Then on this one I have chokers. I love chokers, you guys can tell. On this drawer I have my Daniel Wellington watches and I love them, they are so pretty. And here I have some hair pieces that I used to film with, that goes well with the looks. Here I have some wigs, some green, pinks and blonde wigs. I really like to wear wigs. I feel like a whole different person. And in this drawer there's even more wigs and some hair tools and stuff. Then on this drawer I have some cards that brands send me when they send me PR and I really like to save them. And on that last one I just have some random makeup packaging boxes that I really like to keep. Call me weird, but I just like to keep some boxes because I feel like they're so pretty. Then over here I have my makeup table. This is where I usually do my makeup when I'm not filming. And this mirror right here is from Illuminated Mirrors in the UK, and I got a friend send it for me because I don't think they ship worldwide. I absolutely love this mirror. It's just so stunning and completes the whole room. Then on top of my vanity table I have these beautiful roses. This is a PR packaging from Anastasia Beverly Hills and it's definitely the most beautiful PR packaging I have ever got, so I had to have it there. It's so stunning and just really complements the room so well. And then over there I have some more lippies, some more PR packaging, and then some eyeshadow palettes in this Vanity collection makeup stand, and some brushes, some rose gold brushes that are very affordable but so pretty to have on the room, and then some candles. Then over here is my makeup chair. It's actually a bar chair, but I really love it, so I use it as a makeup chair. Then over here I have this IKEA shelf. I don't know the name of it, but I can look for it and link it down below. So here I have my pretty stuff. I have some PR boxes, some books, some pretty brushes, and just some pretty palettes, some flowers and PR packaging, that KKW lip set that I find is so pretty, so I wanted to have it there, and again a makeup bag. So yeah, just some pretty stuff. And I wanted to keep very rosy, very nudes, very rose gold gold. I don't know, kind of confused, but yeah, you can see the colors that I wanted to have, and I feel like they come together very pretty. So yeah. Then over here is my makeup collection. I just recently got these boxes and these drawers. So this whole thing is inspired by Desi Perkins and Amy Macedo. They are my absolute favorite YouTubers. I love their style and I just love how they start their makeup. So it's pretty much like my whole inspiration is from them. I'm gonna link their channels down below so you can go and check them. I had so much makeup, I didn't know where to put it, and right here where I can see it is just so easy for me to just come and grab what I need. And yeah, it stores a lot of makeup, and also if I need more place I can just buy more and put it on top and have a lot of place for more makeup. You guys have been requesting a makeup collection video and I'm gonna totally film that, so stay tuned because in a week or two I'm gonna upload a makeup collection video. But today I'm just gonna show you like the beauty room and the filming room, and then for the next video I will show you my makeup collection because otherwise this video will be way too long. So on the drawers I have even more makeup. I have my highlighters, I have my brows and contour drawer, I have my lipstick collection, I have some lashes, I have my foundation collection, and then on the bottom I have my eyeshadow palette collection. So this dresser I bought from a shop here in Norway. I don't know if they ship worldwide, but I don't think so. But I know they have the same store in some countries in Europe, but I'm not sure about the US if they have it. But I can link it down below so you guys can see. Then over here I have a long mirror, and that's where I take my outfit pictures and also where I'm gonna be filming my clothing hauls. Then on the left side it's the door for my filming room, and on the right side is a window with a beautiful view. So when you enter my filming room you'll see I have some clothes in here, and I use them for outfit photos and for my videos. And next to the clothes I just have some chair with some nice pillow on it, some colorful backgrounds as well. Then on the left side you'll see I have my filming equipment, my camera, my lighting setup and everything. This light right here and this one are the lights that light up my background, otherwise I will look very light and then my background will look too dark. So it's really important to have lights lighting your background. And then up there I just have my stand where I have my colorful backdrop things. I used to hang backdrops in there. Then over there I have my ring light and two soft boxes, my mic, and I can make a more detailed video on my lighting setup, filming setup kind of thing if you guys want to. So comment down below if you guys want a video on that. And then down here is my filming table. So this is pretty much where I put my makeup and film. And I have my mirror, I have water, another mirror, and then this is like a normal screen that I attach to my camera so I can see myself, and this really helps a lot. Then over here I have this tray with some makeup, like go-to makeup that I usually use on my videos, and my brushes. Then over here I have face brushes. On that other tray I had eye brushes, but here I have face brushes. So over here is where I keep all my filming and lighting equipment, backdrops and stuff like that. Here I just have some makeup stands, some lighting equipment, and over here on these drawers I just have like random equipment lighting stuff. Then over here I have my backdrops. I like this one so much, it's so pretty. Then I have this random thing in here, but yeah, I just have some different type of backdrops, a rose gold, a silver, a pink one, and I have these, I don't know which color it is, but yeah, it's a beautiful one. Then over here I have just some like equipment, some batteries, and just like random stuff, chargers and stuff like that. Then on the last drawer I have camera lenses boxes, and another camera that I'm not using much at the moment. If you are wondering what are those, these are reflectors. So when I sit in here and the lights hit the reflector, and the reflector bring the lights back to my face, so that way are no shadows and I look more flawless on camera. yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the beauty room and filming room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And also don't forget to follow me on social media. Also don't forget to enter the giveaway down below on the description box. There I have the link that will take you into my Instagram, and you can find out what you need to do to win all the makeup that I'm giving away. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you on my next one.